So, you need to ask yourself, if you're a Gen Z, anong results ang kaya mo ibigay? When most schools teach us punch list performance. Tapusin mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tapos na. Yun na yung resulta mo. Hindi yan. Hindi yan worth ng 60,000. Kung punch list na kaya gawin ng lahat, ng karamihan, doon ka lang sa pinakamababa, yung tinatawag na minimum wage. Pero kung kaya mong, let's just say, gumawa ng content na makakuha talaga ng attention and that it can be translated to sales, pera talaga, rainmaker ka, aba, 60,000 a month is your floor. Kasi kaya mong gumawa ng pera resulta when it comes to business. Kaya ang daming mga salespeople kasama sa highest paid professionals kasi they're able to produce results that are undeniable. Numbers don't lie. So, kung kaya mo, do it. Kaya lang, I'm sure everything's a pyramid sa hierarchy ng mga Gen Z. Kaya may mga Gen Z, millionaires, multi-millionaires kasi nag-business, di ba? Young as they are. So, I don't think it's impossible. It's just very rare. And if you want to achieve those things na na-achieve ng mga rare na Gen Zs, then they cannot be like the rest. I don't think yung mga multi-millionaires na Gen Zs or billionaires at that are complainers. They're doers. Silent yan sila. But they produce results. So, it's all about results.